Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring an alternate internet source like Ethernet or a phone hotspot is available. This prevents getting stuck if the driver fails. Once ready, open Start, type Device Manager and press Enter. This launches the central tool. Make sure you expand network adapters and find the Wi-Fi device by name. If you see a yellow warning icon or generic name, that indicates a driver issue. From here, right-click the adapter to reveal Update, Disable, and Uninstall options and proceed to the next step. Now you repair the driver. Right-click the adapter and choose Update Driver. Try Search automatically first because Windows may find a compatible package. If that fails, select Roll Back Driver to return to the prior version, which often fixes regressions. When neither helps, uninstall the device, check Remove Driver Software if prompted, then restart Windows so it reinstalls automatically. Make sure to download the OEM driver from the adapter or laptop manufacturer if Windows generic driver remains unstable. This gives hardware-specific fixes and firmware compatibility. Finish by reconnecting. Once the driver is reinstalled, make sure Wi-Fi networks appear, select your SSID, and enter credentials. You should get an IP and internet access. If problems persist, run Windows Network Troubleshooter and verify the WLAN Auto Config service is running, because services control wireless stacks. As a key troubleshooting tip, test the adapter on a second PC or try a USB Wi-Fi dongle to determine hardware failure. If the adapter fails on another system, replacement is the next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.